Moto Parilla Carbon. This great bicycle was developed by the Italian company Moto Parilla, specifically for individuals who are accustomed to drawing the attention of others and standing out from the crowd in general. Each component of this vehicle merits our complete and careful attention. First things first, let's have a look at the tires. They are large, aggressive, and provide more excellent stability and improved grip to such an extent allowing you to ride this bike safely off-road because of the increased stability and enhanced grip they provide. Hidden away in the massive frame of the vehicle is a high-performance electric motor, which is yet another intriguing component. It lengthens the ride, allowing you to have more fun while simultaneously reducing the amount of fatigue you experience. Carbon fiber is used in the construction of both the frame and its front fork. Because of this material and the unique structural geometry, the bicycle is not only lightweight and maneuverable but also very sturdy. The more significant components such as the brakes and the handlebars contribute to an increased level of safety. The price can range anywhere from $6,000 to $11,000 depending on the particular series. Foldylock Compact. This is the most effective method for preventing the theft of your most treasured bicycle. It's a lock, but not just any old lock. It folds up small, is very practical, and is very compact. In addition to this, its durability far exceeds that of competing products. The tool excelled in tests in which it was subjected to a saw, a wire cutter, a hammer, and temperatures well below freezing. Additionally, the Foldylock Compact can be fastened at any angle. It can be attached directly to the bicycle's frame when not in use. It costs $85 to purchase. ARGO Cargo Trike. Imagine a Japanese company introduced a cargo bike to the market several years ago that featured an incredibly unique and innovative design. It is an electric vehicle with 3 wheels, and the primary distinction of this vehicle is that the front has 2 large compartments. They come equipped with their own independent suspension, preventing the bike from leaning to one side during turns and ensuring that it stays stable. The baskets have a maximum load capacity of 60 kilograms per load. There is a range of 150 kilometers when riding in the most efficient mode. Impressive, don't you agree? Retyre Modular Tire System. Innovation has been developed to pique the interest of people who are passionate about cycling but don't have the luxury of wasting any time or being constrained. The Norwegian company Retyre has developed a modular system that allows riders to reinvent their bicycles figuratively. It has some tires you can change in a concise amount of time and with little effort. The technology functions as follows. The user carries an extra set of tires in a bag. The tires are compact and do not occupy a significant amount of space. When the rider encounters a change in the terrain beneath the wheels, such as when the surface transitions from asphalt to sand, the rider will remove the tire thread and replace it with a new one. It is as easy as it seems to be. Thanks to the heavy-duty zipper, the adjustment can be finished in less than 1 minute. Any type of bicycle is suitable for use with the system. The manufacturer provides a choice of 4 different types of tires: off-road, gravel, snow, and ice. Prices range from $45 to $88 total. Unit 1 Faro. In this case, we have a bicycle helmet which, in addition to serving its primary purpose, also serves the secondary purpose of lowering the risk of being involved in an accident when it is dark. How? The vehicle Faro, which belongs to company Unit 1, features an entirely lit up LED system. It can be found on the bike's front and back. Even if the lighting on the road is poor, motorists will be alerted to the fact that the cyclist is turning and stopping and will generally be more visible to other drivers. Water resistance and an intelligent ventilation system are also included to ensure user comfort. This item will set you back $169 to purchase. ARGO Cargo Kit. Cargo bikes are gaining in popularity for several reasons, some of which are their eco-friendliness and mobility. However, what if you need a regular vehicle in addition to a cargo vehicle, but only have a limited amount of space available? ARGO Cargo bikes have developed a one-of-a-kind set that can convert a standard bicycle into a cargo bike in under a minute. A cargo compartment and a frame are the components that make up this thing. The wheel is attached to the edge. To transform your bike, you must remove the front wheel and attach the ARGO Cargo Kit to the bike's fork. The completed structure is potent, stable, and reliable. It can withstand a lot of use over a long period with a maximum load capacity of 68 kilograms and costs $1,150. Monkeycycle. The dilemma with almost all kids' bikes is that they are expensive, and as children get older, the cycles quickly become outgrown and no longer relevant to the children's needs. Surprisingly, the first transformable bike that could have adjusted the maturation of its young rider only appeared on the market within the past few years. This is the Monkeycycle, which combines 8 different bicycle designs into one. It's hard to believe, but a child can start using it as early as 9 months old and continue until they are 6. After that, it transforms into a toy car that needs to be propelled with one's feet. You will raise the child's seat to accommodate their growing height. Naturally, as time goes by, the auxiliary wheels are eliminated and the pedals take their place. You can purchase a Monkeycycle for a minimum price of $200. Hexagon. It is not simple to ride a bicycle in a large city with a lot of foot and vehicle traffic and feel completely safe doing so. You are in luck because with the right tools, you can fix this problem. For instance, you can use a Hexagon. It's a rear light that can be attached to the bicycle and synced up with the rider's smartphone. The images taken by the built-in camera are sent in real time to the phone attached to the bicycle's handbar. As a result, cyclists are always aware of what is happening on the road behind them while riding. In addition to those capabilities, the Hexagon can be used as a brake light or a direct light and has an intermittent mode. Because of this, cyclists are easier to spot on the road, mainly at night. The device enables users to stream videos directly from the bicycle itself, constitutes an additional advantages feature. It costs $40 to purchase. Bosch Kiox. The final product we'll look at today is an accessory that will be an excellent addition to any bike. Bosch's Kiox is a compact onboard computer that features an easy-to-use user interface and can be attached to the handlebars of a bicycle. When it establishes a Bluetooth connection with the owner's smartphone, it provides navigational assistance toward the desired location by pointing out when and where to make a turn and a total distance still to be traveled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.